T-Mobile Unlock Error Code 9 occurs when your phone can't be unlocked for use on other carriers, often during activation or setup. This usually happens because of SIM card issues or your phone's IMEI not being recognized as eligible. To address this immediately, contact T-Mobile support by calling 611 or using their website for assistance. They can verify your device's unlock eligibility. Check your IMEI on imei.info to ensure it's correct and not blacklisted. Ensure your SIM card is properly inserted and not damaged. Try a different SIM if possible. A simple reboot can clear temporary glitches. For most users, contacting T-Mobile resolves the issue within 24 to 48 hours. If basic steps fail, try these advanced fixes. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on your phone. For iPhones, use iTunes or Finder to enter DFU mode for a deeper reset. Also, ensure your phone runs the latest software to patch authentication bugs. Recent trends show T-Mobile is automating error diagnosis with AI-driven tools in their app, reducing support calls. The rise of eSIMs also minimizes physical SIM-related errors. Future developments include blockchain-based IMEI verification and global roaming standards that will make unlocks nearly instantaneous. To avoid this error, ensure your phone meets T-Mobile's unlock criteria.